Hi guys, if this is the first time you've seen this face, hello, hi, my name is Topsy. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So for this video, I'm going to be sharing with you products that have ended up in my bin and that I've used up. And I'm going to let you know if they're products that I'm going to repurchase, or if they're products that I've already repurchased, or if they're products that I would just not bother for right now. So if you would like to see what these products are, then keep watching. First product is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. It's a product that I use to remove my makeup at night, and it also cleanses and mattifies. But I actually use it mainly to remove my makeup before I then go in to wash my face. This is probably like my second bottle, so obviously it's a product that I've repurchased, which means that I'll always repurchase it because I like it. I like the fact that it's very gentle. I use the combination of sensitive skin one. They do have different ones, I believe normal, oily skin and things like that, but I tend to go between the combination sensitive and the oily skin type one, and I really do enjoy this, and I've already repurchased. So yeah, that's that. Now we're gonna move on to my toners. I've actually used up 2 toners. I mean, I used them one at a time. I did not use them simultaneously. That's the English I'm looking for. So the first one is the Ulla Erickson Balancing Force Oil Controller Toner. As you can see, maybe I still have a little teeny bitty left, but for the most part, it's gone. So I decided to try out this toner because, as you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I do love the Ulla Erickson brand. My skin really does like that brand and its products. So I did enjoy using this. I did notice that when I used it, it did help me sort of control the oil in my T-zone because that's where my skin is the most oiliest. And it did help to actually control the oils. I would say it did a great job. However, I also did use up another toner, which is the one that I normally use, which is the Pixi Glow Tonic. And this is an empty one. I have repurchased this one. And the reason I'm not going to be repurchasing this one is just because this one is cheaper. So it's purely for economic reasons, not because this one is not good. I really did enjoy using this. But if I want to splurge on a toner next, and I would definitely pick up this one again. But for now, I did buy this one again because, like I said, this one is cheaper and I love this one. And I also wanted to try the this is the Glow Tonic, but I also wanted to try the, I think they have the vitamin C version now, I think. Yes, I picked up that one instead to see how that one works. So yeah. Another product that I used up is one from Makeup Forever. It's a serum, and it's called the Makeup Forever Skin Booster Hydro Plump Serum. I love this product. I absolutely loved it. I tend to use it just before I put on my makeup, and I love the way my makeup just looked with it. Not to say without it my makeup didn't look good, but I felt like my makeup looked better, or maybe it's just in my head, I don't know. But I really did enjoy using this. I'm not going to repurchase just now, just because I don't, it's not a necessity. I don't absolutely need it, so I'm going to hold off on repurchasing. But this is one that I finished up, but I would definitely say that it was worth it and I enjoyed using it, but I just wouldn't repurchase just yet. Another skin product that I did use up and I really did like was from the Murad line, and this is the Rapid Collagen Infusion Age Reform. Anything that says anti-aging, it's like my best friend, because you know, your girl, I always say I ain't no spring chicken, so I need all the help I can get. So I decided to get something that I can use. I use this mainly at night. After I cleanse and tone my face, I put this on, and then I put on my nighttime moisturizer. And I love the way this makes my skin feel the next day. My skin looks more fresher, more plumper, gives me like this glow, and I really do love this. This one is gone, but I definitely have repurchased, and then I have another one to replace it. So this is one that I have loved and I've definitely repurchased again. So finally, the only makeup product that I have in this pile is a setting spray. I don't know, do you guys go through makeup that quickly? Because I don't. Obviously eyeshadow palettes, I have never gone through an eyeshadow palette. Okay, maybe my powders actually I have gone through, but I just haven't kept them for the sake of this video. But yeah, I think in terms of makeup, I'd say maybe it's only my setting powders, compact powders, that's the word, that I would say that I do go through. But apart from that, you know, I don't know, I don't go through makeup that fast. Maybe I just have too many. So anyway, makeup wise, well, it's not even a makeup, it's more like skin finishing wise. The setting spray that I've finished is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is my second bottle. I absolutely love this stuff. I feel like it's like air conditioning. So let me see if I've still got some left, you know. Oh, okay, there's still some left. It's very deceiving, you know. I'm shaking it and it's like nothing, so I would keep using this till it eventually stops bringing out mist. But I do love this. I have already bought a replacement for it, and this stuff is amazing. Apart from the fact that it cools my face down, especially during the summer, I actually think that it does a great job in setting the makeup and making sure it stays in place throughout the day. So yeah, love it. Yeah, those are the products that have made their ways into my empties that are going into the bin after this video. Obviously, I kept them just so that I can show them to you and share them with you. So I hope you guys enjoy that kind of video. I think someone did mention in my comment section in some of my previous videos that they would like to see products that I've used up. So there you go. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to make sure you hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys in another video very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.